Learn social media marketing step by step in plain English. Buy the book on social media marketing that is used by Stanford Continuing Studies. Updated. Everything has been completely changed for 2023, including the ideas of recommendation engines versus traditional social media. How to market on social media. It's a party, and you're the one who made it happen. Step-by-step instructions on how to market on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter, and Pinterest. Read the reviews and compare the real reviews of this book to the real reviews of other books. Find out how to advertise on social media without losing money. Watch videos. Watch step-by-step videos that show you how to use social media for your business. Use the worksheets. Download worksheets that walk you through each step for Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and other platforms. Access free tools. Use the Companion Selling Almanac to access free tools for selling on social media. The #1 best-selling book on how to market your business on social media. Jason McDonald, which was written by a famous social media marketing practitioner at Stanford University, is used by Dr. McDonald in his online courses and in workshops he gives in person. If you have questions, just Google Jason McDonald and call or send him an email. Jason McDonald, the book's author, has taught thousands of people in the San Francisco Bay Area and online, including at Stanford Continuing Studies. Table of Contents. How this book works is explained in the intro. How to get to the worksheets and other tools that go with it. What it means to use social media for marketing is called social media marketing. You are the one throwing the party. Content marketing. The content you share on social media is the food and entertainment for your party. How to make a machine for marketing material. Facebook. Learn how to market your business naturally on Facebook through posts, pages, and groups. Advertisements on Facebook. Learn the ins and outs of selling on Facebook and Instagram with Facebook ads. LinkedIn. Getting the most out of your page and using LinkedIn to network. LinkedIn content tactics. Do you tweet on Twitter? Will you? In the middle of all the noise on Twitter, there are secret chances. Instagram, the first platform for visual shopping and communication with customers, both organically and through ads. YouTube has 3 ways to use video: for help, search engine optimization, SEO, and sharing, going viral, as well as native video on other sites. TikTok is the new kid on the block, and you can use it to sell to both businesses and consumers. Pinterest. Pin it to win it on Pinterest. Email marketing is like Rodney Dangerfield when it comes to marketing on social media. The book has 6 parts, and each one talks about a different part of social media marketing. Part 1. Introduction. Chapter 1. What is social media marketing? This first chapter gives an outline of social media marketing and explains how businesses can use social media platforms to reach and interact with their target audience. Chapter 2. Social media platforms. This part talks about the social media sites that businesses can use, such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube. It talks about the different features and benefits of each site, as well as how businesses can use them to reach their marketing goals. Part 2. Developing your social media strategy. Chapter 3. Defining your target audience. This chapter talks about how important it is to know who your target audience is and how to make audience characters, which help businesses understand what their customers want and need. Chapter 4. Setting your social media marketing objectives. This chapter talks about how important it is to set marketing goals that are clear and can be measured. It also talks about the different kinds of goals that businesses can set for their social media marketing efforts. Chapter 5. Creating your social media marketing plan. This chapter shows you step by step how to make a social media marketing plan, including how to define your brand's voice, create a content strategy, and choose the right social media sites. Chapter 6. Creating engaging social media content. This chapter looks at the different kinds of material that businesses can make for social media, such as text, images, videos, and infographics. It gives advice on how to make material that your target audience will find interesting and meaningful. Chapter 7. Creating a Social Media Content Calendar. This chapter covers the importance of creating a social media content calendar and provides tips for planning and scheduling your social media content to guarantee consistency and maximize engagement. Part 4. Implementing your social media strategy. Chapter 8. Growing your social media following. This chapter looks at the different ways businesses can grow their social media following, such as through free growth, paid ads, and marketing through influencers. Chapter 9. Engaging with your social media audience. This chapter talks about how important it is to interact with your followers on social media and gives tips on how to reply to comments and messages, deal with negative feedback, and build relationships with your followers. Chapter 10. Measuring your social media marketing success. This chapter looks at the different metrics businesses can use to measure the success of their social media marketing efforts, such as reach, engagement, conversions, and return on investment, ROI. Part 5. Advanced Social Media Marketing Strategies. Chapter 11. Advanced Social Media Advertising. This part talks about the different kinds of advertising you can do on social media sites, such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. It shows how businesses can use advertising on social media to reach and interact with their target community. Chapter 12. Social Media Analytics. This chapter looks at the different social media tracking tools that businesses can use, such as Google Tracking, Hootsuite Analytics, and Sprout Social. It tells you how to use these tools to track and examine the success of your social media marketing. Part 6. Conclusion. Chapter 13. Social Media Marketing Success Stories. This chapter tells inspiring stories of businesses that have done well by using new and creative ways to market themselves on social media. In his book, Social Media Marketing Workbook, How to Use Social Media for Business, Jason McDonald gives businesses of all kinds a complete guide to how to use social media for marketing. The book talks about a lot of different things, like the basics of social media marketing and how important it is to know your target audience and set clear marketing goals. It also talks about how to make interesting content for social media, put your social media strategy into action, and use advanced social media marketing techniques like advertising and analytics. This book is a great resource for anyone who wants to build a successful social media marketing plan, whether they own a small business or work in marketing and want to learn more. Thanks for watching our Amazon book review. If you found our review helpful and you're interested in checking it out for yourself, we've included a link to it in the description below. By clicking on that link, you'll not only get more details about it on Amazon, but also support our channel at no cost to you. So go ahead and click that link to grab your copy of the book and dive into an exciting reading journey. Happy reading and thanks for your support.